Bonjour tout le monde. It's Alane here, international consultant on high sensitivity, looking in the mirror, straightening things out. I'm at a rest stop, and I got to be quick with this video because there's people in line. This is a beautiful bathroom. See those symbols and soap water and air in the sink, and that is the trash. This is the lock for the door. I know it's a bit much that I'm filming the toilet, la toilette, hooks for my bag or my coat, and the toilet, and this is the toilet paper. You just pull it off and it comes off with a Kleenex. So I can use a couple of Kleenexes, they might kind of trust me. So I'm getting two just so to demonstrate. It's unbelievably clean and big and high tech. The French, they know how to live. Ciao for now.